Good morning, children. Welcome to our spoken English class. We belongs to St. Xavier's Public School. Why we learn this spoken English? We want to be familiar with our English subject. English subject के साथ हम लोग familiar होना चाहते हैं और English हम लोग थोड़ा सा बोलना भी चाहते हैं. Now children, always I used to say that if you want to enrich your English empowerment, you have to dream in English, you have to learn in English, you have to speak in English, you have to write in English. Unless and until you are following these rules, you can't able to improve your spoken English power. Okay, so today we will discuss about the golden rules, and we all know, children, that our spoken English book was written by our principal sir, respected principal sir, Mr. S.N. Shah. He has written this book. Today we will discuss this golden rules. Now children, what do you know about the golden rules? What are the golden rules? Golden rule is a moral principle which denotes that you should treat others as you want to be treated. जैसे हम if you want to get respect, then you should pay respect to the others. If you want to get love from your parents or love from your sisters or brothers or your friends, then you have to give love to them also. So what treat we are giving, what we want to get, अगर हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं, अगर हम लोग रेस्पेक्ट चाहते हैं तो हमको भी रेस्पेक्ट देना पड़ता है. ओके, सो वी शुड गिव रेस्पेक्ट टू द अदर्स if I want to get the respect back. Okay, now the first rule is that you are reading in the St. Xavier's Public School. Yes children, we are very feel proud that we belong to St. Xavier's Public School. Whenever after getting passed from this school, whenever you will take the admission in class 11, someone will ask you from which school you are, then proudly you should feel proud to say, I was from St. Xavier's Public School. Me too feel proud as I am working as a teacher in this school. Okay, next is, we expect you to be well disciplined and gentle. Yes children, now I hope all of you know what is discipline. Discipline किसको कहते हैं? The practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior. Yes, suppose we want to take the lunch within 12 noon to 2 p.m. We have to take dinner from 9 to 10 p.m. So each and every day we have to follow the things in the same time. Our study time, suppose what will be our study times? We have to study our lessons from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So these the things which we follow regularly, that is discipline. Okay, so we expect you to be well disciplined and gentle. Yes, unless and until we are disciplined, we can't be polite, we can't be well mannered. So it is very necessary to be well disciplined. Okay, next, you must get up from bed early in the morning. Yes children, we all know that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. We learned this rhymes in the childhood. So we all know that if we get up early in the morning, we can concentrate your mind to our studies, we can concentrate whatever the good things we are able to follow, we can able to do the exercises also, we can play some, if the little boys they want to play in the field. So it is a very necessary to get up early in the morning. Do 10-minute meditation in the early morning. Yes children, I hope all of you know what is meditation. Meditation is a ancient practice, wellness practice. Research has found that meditation can reduce our stress and anxiety and improve focus and concentration. Yes, if we do meditation, then we can concentrate your mind in our studies fully. Okay, so 10 minutes meditation in the morning is very necessary for our well-being. Okay, Next is sit down and read loudly to your textbooks. Yes children, when I was also student like you, my parents, my teachers used to tell me that please read aloud. जोर से पढ़ो. क्यों? हम लोग क्यों जोर से पढ़ेंगे? Unless and until whatever we are uttering from our mouth, it enters in our ears and from there it goes to our brain. So it is very very necessary to read our lessons loudly. जोर से पढ़ने से ऐसे फ़ायदा होता है कि हम लोग सुनेंगे अच्छा से और वो ब्रेन में जाएगा ठीक से. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न आवर लेसन्स, वी हैव टू रीड आवर लेसन्स लाउडली. Attend the school regularly. Yes, this I hope all of you know from class 1 to class 10. You all of you know that attend the school regularly is very very important. Why it is important? Because unless and until we attend our school regularly, we will miss so many things what our teachers discuss in the class, isn't it? So we can miss many important lessons. So it is very very important. ये बहुत बहुत important है हर दिन स्कूल में जाना. लेकिन for now the present situation for this COVID-19, we are not attending our school, but you should follow all the videos. You should keep in touch with your teachers. You should keep in touch with your school regularly, so that you will be able to improve yourself. Okay. Do not follow any kind of superstition. Yes, I hope all of you know what is superstition. Superstition is a belief or practice resulting from ignorance or the fear of unknown things. Yes, that means what we don't know, we get fear of that things. हम लोग superstition क्यों मानेंगे? जैसे कोई अगर कोई काला बिल्ली कटेगा रास्ता, तो कोई हम सुने हैं कोई आदमी बोलते हैं कि अभी हम नहीं जाएंगे. क्यों? दैट एनिमल मे बी दैट black cat, it is crossing or it was going to search its food from one side to another. If it go from one side to another, why, what is the matter will happen? Why we will not cross the road? So we should not follow the superstition. We always follow the whatever the well-being for ourselves. Okay. Take care of the plants in the school. Yes, we all know that plants is very very important for us. हम लोग के लिए plants बहुत important है. Why it is important? Plants, because it gives us oxygen. So these plants, whatever the garden in our school, whatever the plants are there in our school, we should take care of it, because this school belongs to us. It is our school. So whatever is there in the school, all the properties belongs to us. So we should take care of these plants. Maintain cleanliness and discipline in your class. Yes children, you all know that cleanliness is next to godliness, and during this COVID time we should be clean in each and every moment. हर समय हम लोग को क्लीन रहना चाहिए. ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस, we have to sanitize our hands repeatedly, we have to wash our hands, we have to use mask and all this, we have whatever it may be. So but cleanliness and discipline in the class, it is also very very important. Though we are missing nowadays our classes, but in the long run we will not miss it. The days are very soon, the days are coming very soon. We will again go to our school, we can again attend our school. So we should maintain this one, that we should be disciplined and we should be clean in our classroom. Always use the dustbin and stop water taps when not in use. Yes children, we all know that water is very very precious thing, isn't it? So we should not waste the water. If we see that water is running, we should close that tap, and we should use the dustbin also, because again I am telling you, cleanliness is next to godliness. So we don't scatter the things here and there. Whatever the waste products we will be having, we should just throw it in the dustbin. We should just keep it in the dustbin. So dustbin use करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और water taps बंद करना वो भी बहुत important है. Bring your well done homeworks regularly. Yes, children, you all know that whatever the teachers are giving you as a homework, you should do it in your home, and the next day you should bring it to your teacher, so that teacher will be able to understand how much you understand that particular chapter. अगर तुम लोग होमवर्क नहीं करोगे तो हम लोग को तो पता नहीं चलेगा ना कि तुम लोग समझे क्या, ठीक से समझे क्या. So we are not able to understand if you won't bring your homework regularly. So dear children, it is very very important to bring the homework regularly to your teacher. Switch off the fan and light when not used. Yes, this thing not only you should follow in the school, you should follow in your home also. Whenever you will see that no one is there in the room and the light and the fans they are working, so you should switch off the light, you should switch off the fan in your home as well as in your school too. Go to your respective classes in rows after the prayer. Yes, I hope all of you, we are missing nowadays for this COVID-19, we are missing all these things. After the assembly, from the assembly hall, we all know that we should move in a queue, we should stand in a line in the assembly hall. It is very very important for all of us. Don't worry children, those days are coming very soon. Again we will be able to stand in a assembly hall, and we have to move in a rows after the prayer. Take part in all the extracurricular activities of the school. Yes children, what is extracurricular? I hope all of you know that it is an activity at a school or college pursued in addition to the normal course of study. It includes sports, music, yogas, whatever it may be. Someone you like to draw, someone you like to do karate, someone you like to play football, someone you to love to do recitation, whatever it may be. Extracurricular is very very necessary in our life. With our studies, there will be some passion. Suppose myself, I love to do anchoring, I love to do recitation. All these things I used to love myself. So I hope all of you should also, pupil children, you should also have the passion. You should also have the extracurricular. तुम लोग को भी extracurricular होना ज़रूरी है. पढ़ाई के साथ साथ भी कोई अगर किसी को डांस अच्छा लगता है, किसी को म्यूजिक अच्छा लगता है, किसी को ड्राइंग अच्छा लगता है, so you should go through it. Okay. Next, keep silence when class is going on. This all we know. So the teachers, you don't give the chances to the teachers to say stop talking, don't talk. No, you are the good pupils, you are the good children, and you should follow this one. When you will be in the class, you should maintain the silence. Do not copy during the examination. Yes children, this is very interesting points. It is very very necessary for all of us to study our lessons properly. Before going to the examination hall, we should prepare our lessons in such a manner, so this should not be inculcated. Okay, हम लोग एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के अंदर जाने से पहले हम लोग का स्टडीज़ इतना अच्छा से होना चाहिए कि हम लोग तो ये चीज़ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So we should not cheat we should not discuss in the examination hall, we should not copy also. Okay, my dear children. Next, do not damage the property of your school. Yes, we all know that this school is ours. ये हम लोग का स्कूल है, तो ये स्कूल में जो जो चीज़ यहाँ पर है, स्कूल में जो जो चीज़ है सभी हम लोग का ही है. सो वी शुड नॉट डैमेज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ स्कूल. वाई? बिकॉज दिस स्कूल इज आवर्स, सो ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज बिलोंग्स टू अस. दैट इज वाई वी शुड नॉट डैमेज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ स्कूल. Do not run or jump in the stairs of your school. Why? Because we all know if we run on the stairs, if we jump on the stairs, then accident may happen. So if my legs get broken, then what will happen? I'll be not able to come in the school, or I will not be able to do my own work. So हम अगर मेरा पाँव टूट जाए तो हम क्या मेरा जो काम हम करते हैं ओके हम कर पाएंगे नहीं. So it is very important to maintain. You should not run on the stairs, you should not jump on the stairs. Okay. Always kind to animals and birds. Yes, we should be kind to animals and birds. Why? Because they are the properties of this universe. God has created them. Okay, God has created us as well as God has created birds and animals and plants too. So they are decorating our universe. हम लोग का ये जो यूनिवर्स बना हुआ है सभी के साथ ही यूनिवर्स में रहना चाहिए. सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम ऑल्सो. So children, I hope again I am repeating once more that you have to please follow these golden rules in your life. Please inculcate it from your childhood only. And again I am repeating, if you want to empower your spoken in English, you have to dream in English. सपना जो सपना देखते हो ना रात में वो भी इंग्लिश में देखो. थिंक इन इंग्लिश. जो तुम सोच रहे हो कि अभी हम मिठाई खाएंगे तो ये तुम सोच रहे हो, think that in English. I will eat sweets now. So you have to think in English, you have to dream in English, you have to write in English, and you have to read in English. Unless and until you are not following all these things, it is not possible for us to enrich our spoken power. Okay. So today up to this, again please comment in the video. If I want to share that if you want to improve, और if you think कि यहाँ पर होने से अच्छा होगा, वो होने से अच्छा होगा, जो भी है कि अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि अगर ये इस तरह होने से और भी अच्छा होता, you please write it on the comments. If you feel good, write it on the comments. If you want to improve this video in other side, that also you can write it in the comments. I want to see your comments. Okay, thank you.